Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating how to group several worksheets together and perform actions on them simultaneously. It's aimed at MacEwan University students taking business computing, and you can download the Excel highlights file using the link below. So I'm going to be working with three worksheets here, January, February, and March. And you'll notice that the structure of the three worksheets is identical. So January, February, and March all have the same data in the same cells, except that quantity is different in each of the three. And of course, January's sheet is called January sales, February's is called February sales, etc. So what I want to do is fill in these formulas, but I'd rather not have to fill them in 3 times. I'd rather only have to fill them in once. So I'm going to group the three sheets together. To do that, I click on January, and then I control click on February and March. And if you happen to be using a MacBook and using Fusion, you'll have to hold down Control and Command to click on February and March to select them. And you'll notice they show with an underline underneath them, or with some sort of shading in some versions of Excel to show that all three of them are selected. So now when I build my formulas here, so extended price, that's going to be equals quantity times price. GST is going to be the extended price times 0.05 or 5%. And the total is just going to be the extended price plus the GST. And then I could select those three cells and double click on the fill handle and it would fill down. I can also build my average, minimum, and maximum for quantity here. So I could go up here to auto sum and choose average, and I have to do a slight correction on the range because I only want to select those 4 cells. And then for minimum, I can do the same with auto sum up here. I can go min, make sure I select the right range, press enter, and maximum, I can do the same sort of thing, max, select the proper range, and press enter. Now the part that is a real time saver is if I click on February and click on March, I can see that those formulas were also built into those 2 other worksheets because I had them all grouped together. And that's it. Thanks for watching.